What's the meaning of a cappella? A cappella. A cappella. A cappella. A cappella. A cappella. A cappella is a musical term that means in the style of a chapel. It refers to music that is sung without any instrumental accompaniment. A cappella music can be found in many different cultures and traditions, and it can be performed in a variety of styles. Some popular examples of a cappella music include gospel, barbershop quartets, and contemporary a cappella groups. A cappella music is often praised for its beauty and its ability to create a sense of community. When singers come together to create music without any instruments, they are forced to rely on each other and on their own voices. This can create a powerful and moving experience for both the performers and the audience.